we're going to be making some healthy snacks and healthy drinks, right, Jan, that you guys can, use and make on your daily, just to not only help you feel better, but also change the course of health for you. Good evening, Soul Sisters. How are you? I know you guys are excited because I'm excited. Let me tell you why I'm excited. Because I love to snack. I am a snacker. My favorite thing is chips. Everybody who knows me knows I love my chips. Now, chips, the dangerous part about that is I crave them at night. And it's really bad. And I have to have them, and then I want something to drink with it, and then sometimes maybe a half a sandwich. I tell myself it's okay because it's only a half to go in my chips, or something else to go in my chips. That's just my thing. So the chip that we're going to make today is a kale chip. Now, I have my kale here already. I've already washed it, dried it, and broke it up in pieces that are bite-sized to really make my mind think I'm eating a chip. Yes, you can do that too. Your mind works like that. I have parchment paper that I'm going to put on this cookie sheet, and I'm going to put those pieces of kale on this cookie sheet. And then we're going to throw those in the oven after we put some olive oil and some Himalayan sea salt on them. And I'm expecting the goodness. So Jan,
oh yeah, I'm definitely expecting.
Is there going to be goodness going on?
That's a good snack.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we need the goodness because this is something else I don't share with everybody. But y'all, my soul sisters, and I can tell you, there is a girl living on the inside of me named Phyllis. And she's always asking for food and extra snacks, and I'm like, get your own snacks. Like, there's enough in there for you to snack on, Phyllis. We don't need that right now. So, because of that, this is not only going to satisfy me, but Phyllis.
And me as well, because while I'm at work at my desk, I snack as well. So this would be something that I can take to work and use as a snacker while I'm talking on the phone and on the computer. So I am looking forward to this.
Yes. So here we go. So we're just gonna take it and put it on our cookie sheet like so. Spread it out a little bit. This is gonna be so good, y'all. And just so you know, if you make like smoothies or anything like that, you can take your kale, freeze it, and when you're getting ready to make your smoothies, when you take it out of the freezer, it breaks up so fine that it helps break it down even more when you put it in your blender. Okay, so we're gonna take our olive oil, and this might be easier to do if you have something smaller to pour, but it's all good. We got this, right? So we're just gonna put some olive oil on top of our kale, like so. And then what we're going to do is sort of just mix it around a little bit to make sure that it's nice and coated. And again, your olive oil, not only is it extra virgin, but it's made by Bragg's. And come on, everything Bragg's does is good, right? That's right. These are the vinegar people, the mothers. Yes. All right, so we got every piece coated. We're going to take our pink Himalayan sea salt, which I like it probably just because it's pink, but that's just me. We're gonna sprinkle just a little bit on there because what's a chip if it's not a little salty, right? So just a little bit. And then we're going to pop it in a preheated oven, 300 degrees. Now you can go up as much as 325 and they'll be nice and crispy for you. So we're gonna put those in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna go check on those chips. They better be done. I think 350 worked because I'm starting to smell it. And in my house, we say, if you smell it, it's done. Here we go, here we go. Yes, they're looking good. All right.
No, that does look good.
So you see how you have like the little brown on there? So let's see in time how long it took us. There was 6 minutes up there. No, I did 6 hours, y'all. I just realized I put 6 hours up there. Y'all love me, don't you? I love y'all too. So it was not actually 6 whole hours. So let's see, 47 minutes and 60 minutes. That's how many minutes, y'all? That's 13 minutes. That's how long it took. Wow. Okay, well, 13 minutes. Okay, so you don't know. That, ooh, I wish you could feel the crunch. You can feel a crunch. Did you know you can feel a crunch? I'm feeling the crunch right now.
They look good.
Oh,
they look good.
Come on.
They look so good.
Y'all,
oh my gosh.
Let me tell you. I'm getting my chip and my help. My soul sisters are coming in.
We're going
to
invite
taste
them
the
in.
kale and the drink. Get your glasses, ladies. Get your glasses.
You got your glass back here?
Oh.
Yeah, boo.
Wow. Wait a minute.
Come on, somebody. And remember, it's so important that you do bite-sized pieces. Because have you ever had a potato chip that's this big? And I don't like to break my chips. No. So yeah, bite-sized, yummy.
Wow. Oh, these are delicious.
They are. That is good.
I wish the camera or
snack.
the sound could pick up the crunch. So
It's
good.
gonna help you lose some weight.
And it helps me feel better about my choices.
Yes.
Because I can make bad choices.
So you have some kale left over there. Can we put that in the oven after we're done with it?
Surely. Leftover kale is going in the oven. And also with these kale chips, just another note, you can, after you do your olive oil and all of that, you can actually sprinkle them with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and when you bake them. So you can, just like you can do different variations with your smoothie, you can also do different things, you know, with your chips. They make barbecue sprinkles now.
Wow.
And you can actually put that on there because I love a barbecue chip. Come on now.
Oh yeah.
Anything like that, sprinkle it on there. I love garlic and pepper as well.
Yes.
Garlic pepper, sprinkle it on there, and it makes the best chip. You will be so glad you did it. Ladies, we are so glad that you joined us today. As you can see, it is so, not only is it fun to eat healthy with your girls, come on, it's fun doing it with your girls. We're going to have to do this again.
I enjoyed it.
Yes.
This
So
is good.
you can check us out on
Our YouTube page, Soul Sisters, Sisters Supporting Sisters, and you can also go to the website at www.soulsisterglobal.org for this recipe.
Yes. We love you guys.
We love you.
And enjoy your